Forget the old electronic models, forget the tangled cables, forget the headaches to manage connections. Welcome in our new configurable world. Sci Compiler offers a large set of virtual laboratory instruments, filters and processing algorithms. Connecting them together, you can easily build any kind of scientific readout on a single hardware platform. Just design the system block diagram and Sci Compiler will generate the firmware, download it on board, and you're ready to perform real-time processing and data acquisition. Sci Compiler comes with more than 100 instruments ready to use. You don't need a FPGA developer to build or maintain a system with complex trigger logic, scalars or coincidence models. Easy implement digital pulse processing, pulse shape discrimination, time tagging, X-gamma imaging and waveform acquisition with just a few clicks. Imagine, create, you can.